Just one banana plant stem can yield up to 3,000 pads, according to Sati. The first step is to cut the stalks in half. Workers pull the halves apart, layer by layer. They feed these celery-like chunks into machines that leave just the stringy fibers behind. Workers wash the fibers, then they're ready for a second life. At the Sati factory, workers feed fibers into machines that cut them into shorter pieces. The next step is turning those pieces into this fluff. The founders told us this part is a trade secret. This is the absorbent core of the pad. Workers layer the banana fiber core between other sheets. After the pads are cut to size, he tests them out from each batch using water mixed with ink. The pads are ready to be sanitized using light. Finally, workers package the pads.